I'm going to take you to about 5 or 6 stores to show you how to buy inexpensive office decor, supplies that you'll need, and things for your school counseling program. But there will be timestamps in the bottom, so you feel free to skip to any places or things that you really want to see. The one thing about coming to the at-home store is you'll notice that it is absolutely huge and it can be overwhelming. You just really have to go in mind knowing what kind of colors you want to focus on and what feel you want your office to have. That's how I start. I haven't really decided which colors I want to use, so right now I'm just going to look and see what works best. And you can help me in the comment section. These look good. So I'm thinking about warm colors. I want some blue or some green, something that's going to pop. These gold pieces are really good too. I might think about incorporating some gold in my office. You can also find some really great pieces here for 50% off. A lot of these are on sale. And then you can always add some greenery to your office. You've got some potted plants, so you can put them on a shelf or something similar to that. And as you can see, the prices are really reasonable. It just really depends on what you're going for. I really like these with the gold pots right here. These are nice. So now I'm going to take you down the clearance aisle. As you can see, there is a lot of great things that you can buy here for really cheap. Most of them are 50% off. So this particular aisle is themed stuff, mainly like if you work in an elementary school. You've got dogs, you've got different animals, and you've got cartoon characters, comic books. Yeah, these Dr. Seuss pieces are really good for an elementary office. These are great for a gallery wall. Oh, these are nice. Dream, create, believe. I really like that, especially if I want to go for a black aesthetic. And look at that, inspire. Oh look, this is great for any counseling office. Now I'm going to take you down the aisle so we can look at some of the decor that you can use for a bookshelf or your table or something to decorate those spaces. Lots of options to choose from. Different color schemes. These are animals on this aisle, as you can see. And if I turn around, you've got like other knickknacks that you can put on your desk or an office space or a bookshelf in different colors. Now these are great if you want to put them in a basket or something, but I will say they are glass and you got to be really careful with having those type of things in your office because students will like to pick them up or do things unless they're in a place where they can't reach them. They've got a whole wall of little items that you can put on your desk, little sayings and decorations. Now I'm going to take you to some comfort items. They've got lots of pillows and things that you can put in your office for comfortability. Is that even a word? You know what I mean. In different colors. Plushies in case you need them for your office. They've even got lots of options for storage and baskets that you need, like if you have a bookshelf or a cube shelf. They've even got items that you can use for comfort, such as beanbag chairs or different things that you can decorate your office for sitting when students come to see you. Now we're at stop number 2, one of my absolute favorite stores, and you'll see why when we get inside. So now we're in Five Below. I love this store because you can buy stuff for your office decor and you can also buy resources for your classroom counseling program, your lessons, your interventions, your small groups, like all those things. Here's another great place that you can buy fidgets and things for your calming corner. So check it out. Here's some great puzzles and activities that you can use for small groups at an inexpensive price. They've got some really creative notebooks and things that you can buy for your office to be organized. Here's a game that's very similar to Twister. If you don't want to pay the full price of Twister, you can buy this. And I use this for my small groups for emotion regulation and zones of regulation. They've also got Connect 4, which is a great game for individual sessions trying to get to know a student. Here's a session where you can buy things for fidgets and calm down corners such as putty, clay, Play-Doh. They've got stickers here. These Zen gardens are also a great addition to an office.
We actually have a heat advisory in Houston right now, so I'm going to all these different stores just for y'all. So I had to stop and get me some water first.
This is my third location. This is one of my favorite spots, and I'm going to tell you why in just a moment. They have a lot of things that I use for my school counseling resources, such as lessons, individual sessions, small groups, and even classroom counseling lessons. I'm going to show you what section you should shop in and why. So of course I'm talking about the clearance section, right? For small group lessons, you can buy some of the crafting things that they have here. Or if you have an after school club. They have lots of different kits and they're pretty inexpensive. They've got some books that are really good for your calm down corner, like these coloring pages. Calm color by numbers. That's really cool. I actually want to buy one of those. They've got some sticker books here. So this is the section I like to come in for my books for counseling lessons. You can look in the self-help section. They've got books for like here, finding your balance with cognitive behavior therapy, self-motivation books, how to de-stress, mindful thoughts, self-care. And this is one of my favorite authors when it comes to books, Anna Barnes, because hers are amazing. I'll show you just a couple things in them. They've got short things that you can turn into video. You can make small PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides. You can make some images on Canva as long as you retweak them and put them in your own words. But these are amazing books. This How to Be Calm. She has a couple other ones. I don't see them here. They must have sold out, but I've got them at home and I'll link them in the description below. Here's another one that I really like, the Anxiety Workbook. So I actually bought one of these and I use it. It's really cool. It's got a lot of different resources and activities that you can use for anxiety. This will be perfect for any school setting. And look, I didn't even realize this by Anna Barnes yet again. There are other things that you can buy in Barnes & Noble besides the clearance section books, but that's the best place that I would look. Me personally, I love bookstores and I can spend lots of time here, but I won't for the purpose of this video. So someone once asked me, how do I do my daily themes? Here's an easy way. You can buy an inexpensive book like this one or any other one. You can take the topics in these books and either turn them into daily or weekly quotes, short videos, or even PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides, whatever you use. But this is an amazing way to have daily themes. Like for example, you can have a Motivation Monday or a Mindfulness Monday and share a quick tip on how to do mindfulness from these books. This book is $8. That's not bad, right? It's not bad in the sense that you can actually take that and turn it into a year's worth of counseling lessons or lots and lots of lessons. So it's very rare that I come in here and I don't buy something, and I really didn't plan on buying anything today. This was really only just for show you all for demonstration purposes, but I found this really cool book that I can't say no to. I'm gonna show you what it is. Right here, It's Okay Not to Be Okay. And look at that, it's only $5. They've got lots of different things in here that affect students. Body image, ADHD, social media. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this book. $5 is a really good deal. I don't typically come to this section often, but they do have things that you can have for your office, such as plushies, games, and different things like that. I've just found that these are a little bit more expensive than you can find them in places like Five Below, which is why I don't typically buy them from Barnes & Noble, but you can always look. And they sometimes have things on clearance too. We're at store number 4, Pop Shelf. I love this store because of the decor, how they have it set up, and it has some really inexpensive items that you can use for your office. These baskets are great for storage. Mirrors and inexpensive items that you can use for a gallery wall or things that you can put on your desk. Actually a really good item that you can use for like a small group. You can make your own and put it in your office as an example. Lots of beautiful flowers and decorations. I just love the aesthetic of this place. If you're a crafty person, you can make your own signs, do-it-yourself things. Lots of yarn for activities for small groups, stickers, paint, pastels, pipe cleaners. These are really cool for like small group activities. Some candy or some snacks that you can put in a little bowl on top of your desk when students come in, or even staff. Toys, fidget items. Coloring books, crayons, lots of things to help you get organized, many different colors, calendars, agendas, planners, lots of little fidget items, Play-Doh, squishies, these little pop things that the kids love, puzzles and card games. So now I'm headed to the next spot that has more of a variety of things that you can have for your office decor and decorate your space. And that's Home Goods or Marshalls. There's a combination, sometimes they're together. Let's start here at the decorative accessories. I would not recommend anything glass, but this is just the first thing that you see when you come in. They've got some really nice things that you can put on a bookshelf though. In this section is the office workspace. So you've got lamps, different things to put organized. If you need lamps, they've got lots of great options to light up your space. And here's another great place that you can buy some framed art to go with your office. Depends on what color scheme you want to go for. They've got comfortable seating options if you have a space where you can have enough room for it. These are really cool for a gallery wall. They've got these carts that every educator needs. They know it's a back to school time. And of course they've got some greenery options. I didn't intend on coming in Ross. I kind of left it off my list, but I forgot it's in this same shopping plaza, so why not? Because Ross has some really amazing items that you can buy for inexpensive prices. Let's check it out. Like this gold clock, that's really cool. This one's really nice. It's green and gold. I think I've chosen my colors. This green and gold is really awesome. And there's so many different ways to accessorize that. So you've got some shelving and some mirrors. If you want to do like an affirmation mirror, you can print some things out and stick it to that mirror and have your students see themselves in it and say them out loud. I've done that before. This is the decorative things that you can put on your bookshelf or your desk. Again, I would avoid doing anything glass. Lots of candles. You've got plenty of options for comfortable seating if that's something you're looking for, in different colors. Like this mustard yellow seat is really nice. This fake grass is pretty nice if you want to put it like on a bulletin board. I've seen people do that before, like a backdrop. So I decided to take a break from shopping and come get something to eat. So I'm at one of my favorite places for tacos, which is Torchy's, and I'll show you what I get when my food gets here. If you've never been, they are amazing. I don't know if they have them anywhere other than Texas. Actually, no, I went to Phoenix a couple weeks ago and they have some in Phoenix too, so I'm pretty sure they have them other places. So now I'm in one of my favorite places, which is Target. Now Target is a little bit more on the expensive side. However, you still can get some really great deals if you go to the bargain section or get some things on clearance. So let's check out some of the amazing deals that Target has. the perfect wall decoration for your calming corner. They've even got like a little string on the back where you can hang it up with a nail or something. I really love this home office section because they've got some great items that you can put on your desk, especially depending on your color scheme. If you don't already have one, I would highly suggest that you get an oil diffuser, as long as your school doesn't have any restrictions against it. Some people can't use it because of asthma and different things, but you know, it just really just depends. But they're really cool for calming down. Sometimes you can find some really great wall art at Target too. So these are some examples of the things that they have. Not a big selection, so I always go to places like At Home, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls for wall art. These are great because they can double as a seating option if you put like a little pillow or cushion on it, and you can also use them for storage. So one of the teachers at my school had this game, and it was actually pretty cool. If you've never heard of it, it's a really fun game that you could use for small groups or classroom counseling lessons.
Comment below what's your favorite place to buy decor and office supplies. If you're a new counselor, be sure to check out my playlist on the screen where I tell you tips on how to be successful your first year as a school counselor. Check out these videos.